Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know it's your girl Shabby B here with another video. But before we get any further, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the notification bell, and hit that thumbs up, and also drop a comment down in the comment section below. Today I'll be doing a retwist after 2 months maintenance, and also I'll be doing a 2-strand twist with the maintenance. Okay, so if you want to see how that will go, stay tuned. So this is the view of my hair before the maintenance, after the wash. Okay, now it has dried about 80%, but like I'm going to do the retwist, I'm going to get it damp again so I can go in and do the retwist properly. Now here I just want you guys to get a real close-up of what my hair looks like after wash and after 2 months no maintenance, and what my hair is really doing in its 8 months of being locked. Now this is the back view of what my hair looks like, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Now here I have some olive oil in a roll bottle and also some black rubber bands that I'll be using to secure my 2-strand twists. Now I will be starting at the back of my head and work my way up to the front. I'll be leaving out about three rows, and then I will work from there forward. Now I did that my hair, and after I did that I just went in with the roller ball and applied some olive oil to my hair scalp. Now when I started my first retwist, I believe I started the video, but apparently I did not. That's why you see that there is about 2 or 3 that have been done already. But here I'm just going in the clockwise motion, yeah, and I don't really use anything to secure my hair while doing the retwist. I sometimes just curl it around and then let it sit until I do the other one, then I do the 2-strand twist to my hair. Now I'm not using any products in my hair apart from the olive oil and water here, and I'm just using the black rubber band to secure the end. I am not a neat freak, so to speak. Like, it's okay if I don't have the perfect parting or anything, so I don't use a mirror or anything. I just go and feel out. No gel. I'm not using any aloe vera gel this time because I did not make any. Yeah, I made my own, so I did not get the chance to make any, so I just went in with the oil and water, and that will get the job done just as well. You guys don't have the best of view, and I'm sorry for that, because my hand is basically all over my hair in the way, and you guys really can't see the technique if you don't know what the retwist method really is or what it's supposed to be. But it's basically just twining your hair clockwise until all your hair for one lock is just combined and set perfectly or to your liking. No, I am at the front of my hair where I am just applying the olive oil to my scalp. This is just me showing you guys that yeah, the ball really I let off some oil. Yeah, so I'm going through this little section to the side, applying the olive oil, and my hair is already damp as well. Now you guys will have a better view of what the retwist looks like here. As you can see, I'm going in the clockwise direction, just trying to sweep in the little hairs that are straying, and I did a little twine to keep it in place until I do the other lock before the two strand twist. I do palm roll some of my locks if I see there's a need to, just to make it less frizzy and neat as well. Now, after about an hour, your girl retwist finally finished. I'm gonna tell you, some wee hours of the morning this, and I wanted to sleep like so bad. But yeah, the retwist, get into it, yeah. Fresh, nice, party, no? I go on in a bag of things. Yeah, I was seeing my retwist like, yeah, it looks good. I see growth and everything. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. It's a girl, Shabby B.